Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide by 4 to the power of n on numerator and denominator. So we have number 2 divided by 4 to the power of n. This one divided by this one, we have number 1. This one we can put like this. Now, when n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Number 2 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. About this one, we can see that number 3 is smaller than number 4. So when n go to positive infinity, this one will go to number 0 when n go to positive infinity. So we will have like this. And that is about number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.